channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how I achieve fuller and voluminous lashes under just 1 minute, plus few quick tips that every girl should know. So I get asked by many of you guys on my Instagram that if I'm wearing falsies or if these are my natural lashes or what mascara do I use. I get so many queries and I did a poll on my Instagram asking you guys if you would be interested in watching this video or not, and so many of you guys voted yes. So your wish is my command. मैं 5 बहुत ही simple steps follow करती हूँ जिसको hardly 1 minute भी नहीं लगता in your day-to-day life. But since I would be explaining you guys in this video, so of course it is going to take more than 1 minute. But if you would try on your own, it would take hardly a minute. So yes, with that being said, let's just get started with today's video. Alright, so step number 1 is I like to use a translucent powder, any translucent powder or a loose powder. So I'm going to be using this Sugar ka all set to go translucent powder along with a regular brush. So basically I like to dust off the translucent powder all over my lashes. ये lashes को थोड़ा thick बना देता है when you apply mascara. एक lash आपकी अलग-अलग visible होती है. So do try this hack. It's a very useful hack. My step number 2 is I like to apply my first coat of my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is my go-to mascara और मैं इस mascara के अलावा कुछ भी use नहीं करती हूँ. Like I have tried various Maybelline mascaras like the Hyper Curl, Colossal, Push Up Drama, but I feel that the Lash Sensational one is the best one so far. One quick tip to apply your mascara is to always wiggle it like this and not just straight away apply it like that. So just wiggle your mascara wand like this, and this is what my lashes look like after applying just the first coat of the Lash Sensational mascara. Now step number 3 is I like to curl my lashes a little bit by using this eyelash curler. So I'm just gonna gently curl my lashes. So whenever you use an eyelash curler, it gives a nice lift to your lashes, as you guys can see right now. Now step number 4 is I like to apply the second coat of my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. So if you want that voluminous and fuller lashes, you should apply 2 coats of your mascara. Alright, so I'm done with the second coat, and now only the one last step is left, which is applying a black kohl on your upper waterline. इससे क्या होता है कि जैसे कुछ लोगों के lashes में थोड़ा बहुत गैप होता है, तो अगर आप अपनी upper waterline पे एक black kohl लगा लोगे, उससे आपकी lashes को fuller look मिलेगा and basically एक illusion मिलेगा जैसे कि आपकी बहुत घनी lashes है. Applying a kohl makes a huge difference to your lashes, and आप अभी देख सकते हो कि मेरी lashes एकदम instantly और ज़्यादा fuller लगने लग गई हैं. And yes, those were the very simple 5 steps that I like to follow to get lashes like these. And now we'll quickly move on to the tips. So tip number 1 is I want you guys to prefer non-waterproof mascara, like a washable mascara instead of a waterproof mascara, because waterproof mascara is kind of hard to remove and it kind of irritates your lashes. So yeah, if you can, then please always go with a washable mascara, and waterproof mascara बहुत ही rare use किया करो when you actually need it. Tip number 2 is how you can grow your lashes naturally and make them thicker. So you should always apply castor oil before you go to sleep. So just store the castor oil in that mascara वाला जो होता है ना container basically, and जिसके साथ एक wand भी मिलती है. So you get those packaging separately in the market. Just buy that, store your castor oil in that, and just apply the castor oil like a mascara every night before you go to sleep. Last tip would be how you can remove your mascara without irritating your lashes too much, and basically जिससे आपकी lashes भी कम टूटे. So I have some cotton and my makeup remover with me. I have run out of cotton pads, so this is what I'm gonna use as of now. I'm just simply gonna take a little bit of makeup remover onto the cotton. So I'm just gonna take this cotton pad and kind of keep my lashes in between the cotton pad. I'm gonna let it stay for say 5 to 10 seconds. Basically the whole idea is to kind of let the formula of the mascara break down on its own instead of us removing it harshly. So I'm just gonna maybe press it gently and just remove it like that. You guys can see कि जो मस्कारा है सारा फॉर्मूला उसका अपने आप ब्रेक डाउन होके इस कॉटन पैड पे आ चुका है. सो यू माइट वांट टू रिपीट दिस स्टेप 2 to 3 times डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कि आपने कितने कोट्स लगाए हुए हैं मस्कारा के. एंड देन वट एवर इज लेफ्ट जस्ट टेक योर कॉटन पैड एंड जेंटली रिमूव इट लाइक यू वुड अप्लाई योर मस्कारा. And yes, that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, then you know what to do, right? Please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would make sure to leave all the links for you guys in the description box below as always. And yes, I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.